What's great about the plant ball is the climate footprint is actually only 4% of the climate footprint of the meatball when you look at the ingredients that go into it.
Is this a Swedish meatball without meat? Well, not really, but we've added the same sort of ingredients you would in a Swedish meatball. So we have potatoes, oats, onions, apples. If you want to make a ball that really tastes like meat, you have to add different types of umami flavors.
The meatball is one of our biggest sellers. It is our biggest seller. And so it's quite natural to then look at how could we reduce the footprint of our meatball? And the answer for us was looking at a plant-based option.
The taste and texture of the plant ball is really similar to a meatball. It actually tastes more than a meatball, in a good way. So to get this texture, you'd have to have help because you can't do it yourself. So you need actual food scientists who can help you with extracting protein.
We actually hope that we sell less meatballs. At IKEA, we sell 1 billion meatballs a year. Now, imagine if we could convert even some of those into plant balls. That's a real tangible reduction in our climate footprint.
If I were cooking plant balls at home, I'd probably do an Indian curry dish or serve it with some kimchi or something really flavorful. In our restaurants, the plant ball will be served with the mashed potatoes, the cream sauce, the lingonberry jam, and the peas, just like our classic meatball plate.